Hey there guys, this is my Hoover Demonized Tea bagged. It's a Hoover 19.0. It's a good vacuum, bought it today. Need to put a light bulb in it. This is the light bulb. But it's a good vacuum. You got your holes, I got my attachments. I don't have the attachments to go up here. But it's a good vacuum. The hose only works if you set it on tools. It's got a stair cleaning handle. But when I bought it had a clean bag in it. This is the switch. I gotta go buy some bags for it. But it's a good vacuum. It's got the Hoover logo right there. And that right there. But I should have some attachments for it. Let me go look. Okay, I got some attachments for it. Here's Krabby's tool. I'll be back here in a minute. And that's all for my Hoover Demison 2. Allergy efficient.